If you think dates are bad for your health because they're sweet, you might be wrong. In fact, when eaten correctly, dates can support your gut, your heart, and even pregnancy. Today, we're looking at what science really says about eating dates every day, including the truth about dates and diabetes. Let's start with your most vital organ, your heart. When we think about cardiovascular wellness, most of us picture leafy greens or fatty fish, but dates deserve a spot on that list too. These small fruits are absolutely loaded with compounds that your heart craves. Inside each date, you'll find powerful antioxidants called flavonoids that work tirelessly to enhance circulation throughout your body. These same flavonoids help calm inflammation in your arterial walls, which is crucial because chronic inflammation is a major contributor to cardiovascular disease. But there's more. Dates contain impressive amounts of polyphenols, which have been shown to boost your beneficial cholesterol while simultaneously reducing the harmful kind. This dual action is particularly valuable for individuals dealing with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Now let's talk about potassium, a mineral that most people don't consume in adequate quantities. Dates are phenomenal sources of this essential nutrient. In fact, they provide nearly double the potassium concentration of bananas when compared by weight. Potassium plays a critical role in counteracting excess sodium and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Just 2 dates daily can make a meaningful difference in your potassium intake. Dates also deliver magnesium, which promotes relaxation of blood vessels and supports optimal circulation. This mineral helps reduce the likelihood of cardiac events and maintains a consistent heart rhythm, both essential factors for long-term cardiovascular health. Moving from your heart to your largest organ, let's discuss skin health. If you're searching for a natural approach to achieve that coveted healthy glow, dates offer an inside-out solution. The antioxidants present in dates, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, work to shield your skin cells from oxidative damage and inflammatory processes. These 2 factors are primary drivers of premature aging. Dates provide vitamin B6, which helps regulate inflammation that can manifest as breakouts or facial redness. Here's something fascinating. Dates contain substantial dietary fiber that nurtures your gut microbiome. Emerging research reveals a powerful connection between gut health and skin appearance through what scientists call the gut-skin axis. By consuming 2 dates each day, you're delivering antioxidants and vitamins directly beneficial to your skin, while simultaneously fostering better digestive health that may reflect in a more luminous complexion. Your digestive system will thank you for adding dates to your menu. These compact sweet fruits are among nature's finest solutions for digestive concerns, including bloating and irregular bowel movements. Each date contains both soluble and insoluble fiber varieties. Soluble fiber dissolves in liquid and creates a gel-like consistency that softens waste material, making elimination more comfortable. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve, but instead adds volume to help promote regular digestive transit. Dates also provide pectin, a prebiotic fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. These helpful microorganisms assist in breaking down food, absorbing essential nutrients, and keeping potentially harmful bacteria in check. Research published in the British Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that participants who consumed dates experienced notable improvements in bowel movement frequency, indicating enhanced digestive function. Let's shift our focus to cognitive performance. Dates aren't just beneficial for your gut and appearance, they may actually sharpen your mental faculties. These fruits deliver an impressive array of brain-supporting nutrients. Vitamin B6, also called pyridoxine, is vital for synthesizing neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. These chemical messengers regulate emotional state, drive, and mental sharpness. Eating 2 dates provides roughly 15% of your recommended daily vitamin B6 requirement. Dates are also abundant in choline, a nutrient associated with enhanced memory formation and learning capacity. Choline is necessary for producing acetylcholine, a crucial neurotransmitter involved in cognitive processes. The high antioxidant content in dates helps protect neural tissue from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 elements strongly linked to age-related mental decline. By simply enjoying 2 dates each day, you could be supporting sharper brain function well into your later years. Energy levels are another area where dates truly shine. Picture this scenario. It's mid-afternoon and you're fighting to stay alert. Your energy reserves are completely depleted, and you're tempted to reach for a candy bar or another espresso. This situation is incredibly common, but there's a better solution. Adding just 2 dates to your daily eating pattern can provide sustained energy without the subsequent crash that typically follows refined sugars or caffeine. Dates contain a blend of natural sugars, glucose, and fructose that your body rapidly absorbs and converts into fuel. The substantial fiber content moderates how quickly these sugars enter your circulation, helping prevent dramatic spikes and drops. This is especially beneficial if you're monitoring blood sugar or working to manage diabetes. Dates also supply essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium and B-complex vitamins, that support cellular energy production. Since digestive issues can drain your vitality, the fiber in dates further assists by promoting regularity and comfort. You can enjoy dates in numerous ways. Eat them whole, dice them into your breakfast porridge, or blend them into smoothies as a natural sweetening agent. Bone strength might not be the first benefit you associate with dates, but these fruits do contribute to skeletal health. While dates may not match certain other foods in calcium content, they do provide magnesium and phosphorus, two minerals that work synergistically with calcium to maintain bone integrity. Magnesium is crucial for proper bone development and mineralization processes. Phosphorus and calcium together form the structural foundation of healthy bones. Although dates won't single-handedly solve bone density issues, they make an excellent and delicious component of a comprehensive bone-supporting nutrition plan. Now let's address the elephant in the room: blood sugar management. Despite their natural sweetness, dates possess a surprisingly low glycemic index. This means they won't trigger rapid elevations in blood glucose, a characteristic that makes them relatively appropriate for individuals managing diabetes. Their abundant fiber content also decelerates sugar absorption into your bloodstream, helping you avoid sudden peaks and valleys. Dates are packed with antioxidants that neutralize damaging free radicals and diminish inflammation. Both of these factors can aggravate insulin resistance and complicate blood sugar regulation. While dates remain a source of natural sugars, portion control is essential. Enjoying 2 dates daily as part of a balanced nutritional approach can be a wise choice for many people monitoring their glucose levels. Make sure to choose dates that have not been processed with added sugar or glucose syrup, as this would cancel out all their health benefits, increase their glycemic index, and prove harmful for people suffering from diabetes. Here's something truly intriguing. Could eating dates before childbirth actually facilitate natural labor? Some evidence suggests this might be true. One research study examined 69 women who consumed 6 dates daily for 4 weeks prior to their delivery date, while 45 women consumed no dates. The women who ate dates experienced a shorter initial labor stage, more progressed cervical dilation, and reduced need for labor induction procedures. A separate study involving 154 women reached similar conclusions. Those who consumed dates late in pregnancy required fewer medical interventions to initiate or accelerate labor. Scientists believe that regular date consumption could assist with the labor process and potentially decrease the necessity for induction. Dates also contain nutrients such as magnesium, iron, and calcium that support healthy pregnancy outcomes. If you have any medical condition that might contraindicate date consumption, be certain to consult your healthcare provider first. The bottom line is that dates are far more than just a sweet snack. These nutrient-dense fruits offer a remarkable range of health benefits that can positively impact multiple body systems simultaneously. From cardiovascular support and radiant skin to improved digestion and sharper cognitive function, dates deliver results that ancient cultures recognized long before modern laboratories could explain why. The beauty of dates lies in their simplicity and versatility. Whether you enjoy them on their own, mixed into recipes, or blended into beverages, incorporating 2 dates into your daily routine is an easy and delicious habit to adopt. The combination of natural sugars, fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals creates a synergistic effect that supports overall wellness in ways that isolated supplements simply cannot match. Remember that while dates offer impressive benefits, they work best as part of a varied and balanced diet rich in whole foods. No single food is a magic solution, but dates certainly earn their place among the healthiest choices you can make. Their low glycemic index, high fiber content, and rich antioxidant profile make them suitable for most people, including those managing blood sugar concerns, though moderation and individual tolerance should always guide your choices. As with any significant dietary change, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications, consulting with a qualified healthcare professional is always wise. They can help you determine the appropriate portion sizes and frequency that align with your specific health goals and needs. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more evidence-based health information.